So one on that side and one on the other side, yeah, they're actually old jets. And if they fall out, you actually lose your oil pressure.
They all felt the same.
Now, I might get lucky on this. We'll see. Sometimes you don't.
Yeah, because they got like a 6-window bearing. And this takes a professional right there.
No.
Should have been holding it. Hold it up. Yeah, somebody should.
Yeah, here, I'll put this on.
Not too far enough. You fix the corner, just move. Oh, you're all right. You go. Uh-oh. Yeah, one back here.
Okay.
No. You're in.
Just like the hardest part.
This is the hardest part of the motor.
Alright.
Okay, let's let it go. It's not going to go down all the way. Move the shaft back and forth.
Watch out, it's going to fall.
Hey John, real quick, before you get that far, did you get your O-rings in?
Yeah.
I meant the O-rings for the, oh, during the plate or for the,
Yeah, they're there.
okay.
Right on his hood.
Yeah.
Okay. There is interest. Yeah, let me take it out a second. I was reposition that centric shift.
I don't want to stand up for the camera.
Okay, let's start that again and redo this. There, now we're going. This on?
If you're underneath, best rule of thumb is 2 fingers, you lift it up.
No,
so you
not
don't
too
lift
far.
it too far. There you go.
Okay, now set it down. Feels like we lifted it up too far.
Oh, it's a little.
Careful, you're going to pinch your toe.
So obviously this is not a one-man job.
On an engine stand, it can be done, but it takes a floor jack.
Take it up.
Right. Got it. No, I used to do these by myself, but that's when I was in practice. It's been
Well, like I said, on the engine stand, you can actually put a block underneath the bottom of it. You can actually jack it up 2 jacks, take it down, let it down, and you're golden.
Good.
Yeah.
We're good. We're good.
He looks tired.
I'll let my back down. There we go. Now, now we're great. Now.
No problem.
Are we?
So. You gotta get it up and over.
Okay, now I'm back out. So. There we go. Now I'm in.
All right.
Bring it down.
I'm just looking at the corner.
That one okay?
I don't want to smash my finger on that. Yeah, that one's okay. You just do this real nice and easy. And that one's hanging up a little bit.
So this is going to be the top one.
What? We're good. Good look on that side. Okay, you want to look at your edges and see. I'd like this to sit down nice and tight. Seems like it's up a little bit.
Your side is up.
Seems like it's up a little bit.
Well, you want to make sure that the tip of a corner isn't sticking out, and that's what's making it pivot.
Yeah, you don't want to turn the motor at this point.
No.
I think we're all right. I don't like the fact that it's sticking up so far. That could be the oil control rings or something like that holding it up too.
Okay, now you say you think we're all right.
Yeah.
And what if not?
If not, we'll know when to put the bolts in.
Yeah.
Yeah, it won't.
You'll
sink in.
that or you'll hear
See.
crunching, and at that point it's
Done.
bad.
So you find out before you get it together in the car.
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll know.
I use a series of bolts to bolt it all together, and then I've got a bracket that I put here and bolt this to this and that to that.
All right.
So when I
More
take the
glue.
bolts out, everything stays.
Everything stays together.
And once put in seals.
Put in some seals, honey.
Visualize it as V1.
I already put one in.
I think that'll work just fine.
Now, what kind of glue is that, John?
That's
You put in a seal.
Permatex stuff that you can buy at just about any car place. Permatex.
Permatex.
300.
Former gasket.
Oh.
You can use a Q-Tex nail glue too.
Yeah, in your case.
Oh. Yeah.
Brown, preferably. Actually, what works really good is a fingernail polish brush.
6 bucks. Yeah.
See?
Which they used to be like 36
Polish brush, not the actual fingernail polish itself.
People want them.
Inside of some engines are pink, some other ones are rouge.
Pay attention.
Thing is, it imported over 200 rolls of European, and now there's one part that
You have not seen her collection.
No.
I can imagine.
She has $1,500 worth of nail stuff.
But you know, beyond
$1,000 with the polish on
Oh,
it.
what?
Sell some of it.
The engines?
No, some of the Apex seal.
Oh, no, man, I'll keep going.
Yeah. Do it all.
I've got, it came up some I should get under. I've got a whole wall of rotor housings and steel. Very well with rotors.
Good, now we know where to go.
Do you have a Turbo 2 4-port rear iron? Do you? How much?
I've got to, I built a car for a customer, he flipped it and gave me the car. And I've got to take that rear end off of my white and purple car, because a partner of mine...
No, the rear iron of the motor.
Oh, I didn't meant the rear end.
No.
Oh, by the way, you were right.
Yeah, I do, I have a lot.
Yeah?
Yeah, I've got the big oil port stuff that I'll never turn loose.
I just need a stock Series 4, Turbo 2, or it could even be Series 5, doesn't matter. Are there? Yeah, that's right. I was asking John about that earlier.
Go take a look.
Okay. I'll wait till we get done here. Really? See, I have, in my storage unit, I have
No, just get
half of it is 12A, the other half is all 13B. I've got 13B first gen, 13B second gen. I've got 6-port out the wall.
I don't want to buy all these parts for Ashley too for her senior.
Oh, no. Come over to storage unit. Take what you want.
She needs to do her senior.
I was going to take a picture of my storage unit because it's so insane looking.
Oh, your storage unit?
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw the shop. I saw
So I'm thinking of rebuilding Ashley's engine before it goes bad. And maybe she can save some of the
It's
stuff.
only got 84,000 miles.
Yeah, but she needs something for her senior project, and I don't really want to spend like
Oh,
$600.
true.
Because I've got I've got the rotors, the housings, the plates, and I mean the eccentric shaft and everything. It's all in really nice shape. Matter of fact, I have a couple of them that have been lapped, machined, so they look brand new.
So, why doesn't he use?
I'm like you.
I was gonna say. Try that. Yeah, I had mine. Like, we weren't flowing too well before. Went to like his doctor and Jeff.
How many people we have on the list? Did you count?
No, I don't even know where my,
Where your assignment sheet is?
where they're on the chair right now.
Oh, you need to do that. We probably would have remembered you though. If you don't, we need your address so we can send you a copy of this right now.
That's the architect. 720.
She wants all. She wants solid.
What a nice jacuzzi or something.
SASC.
Did you guys just drive down 16th like Evergreen, turn right, go down to 21st, turn right?